Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, ABE, a bit of everything. So today I'm going to teach you how to make your own paper frog. Okay, so what you need to do is get a square piece of paper, and now fold it in half. Now fold this into like a triangle. And then do it the same. And now repeat this process, but on the other side. Now what you do here is fold this to a triangle again, and now fold it in half. And now do it the same for the other side, making a triangle. And now do the same for the other side. Now fold this into a triangle. So fold this up. And then do the same for the other side. And now do the same for the other side. Now just fold it like that. Now what you want to do here is fold it like this. Like that. And then repeat the same process to all of them. And now what you do here is you fold it, no, you flip it, and turn it. And now this, you have to bend this one upwards. And now fold these two corners in half. Now, put this in here. Now what you want to do is fold it. So fold it like this. And then fold it back again. Now for the hands, you just have to like fold this a bit to make it stand. And then you're done. But first I'll add googly eyes. There you go. Now you have your jumping frog. And let me add the eyes. And now you finish. Actually, the eyes jump, not the frog. Okay guys, before I conclude, I got a question for you. Why are frogs so happy? You're right. They eat whatever bugs them. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. You learned how to make your own paper frog. And see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!